On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's fun to eat as much as it's fun to make. A simple but extraordinary pan-fried Cheung Fun. Lei Hong Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This is definitely one of my most favorite recipes of all time. It's so delicious, so easy to put together. It'll definitely be one of those recipes you want to make every single week. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Pat dry about 75 grams of smoked tofu. Slice the smoked tofu widthways. Smoked tofu has the texture of an extra firm tofu with a deliciously smoky flavor. Chop down about 25 grams of garlic chives into about the same size as the smoked tofu slices. Garlic chives can be substituted with green onions. Chop down 50 grams of broccolini into bite-sized pieces. These are fresh rice noodle rolls. You should be able to find this at an Asian grocery. They're basically rice noodles that are like flat but rolled into rolls. Really delicious and very easy to cook. Slice the fresh Cheung Fun into about 2 inches in length. Then gently release them into bite-sized pieces. If you're working with the Cheung Fun straight from the fridge, try microwaving it for about 30 seconds or leaving it in room temperature for a few hours first before working with it. One and a half tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce. This is a plant-based oyster sauce. Sometimes they're called different things, but they're usually made with shiitake mushrooms. That's what gives it that really nice earthy umami. This one is called vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce. So there you go. Grate 1 small piece of garlic. A splash of toasted sesame oil. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Couple tablespoons water. Give it a stir to combine, then set aside. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon avocado oil. Smoked tofu and broccolini. Saute for a few minutes. Be patient and allow the veggies to get a little bit of color. Set the veggies aside. By the way, this is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the brand new 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Will. This book is a bit of a continuation of the previous 3 books in that it has a lot of the favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube, plus of course a lot of new recipes not yet filmed. For more information or to order your very own copy of this book, there's a print or digital version of it you can check out in the link in the description box below, or of course you can visit youngmancooking.com. 1 tablespoon chili oil. This is a delicious, smoky, spicy chili oil made in a previous episode. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. Fresh Cheung Fun. Allow the Cheung Fun to sear in the pan for a few minutes. Be patient with this, as this is what creates that iconic seared look and flavor. Give the pan a good toss, then allow the noodles to sear for another couple of minutes. That crispy sear is what I dream about when I think about these noodles. Garlic chives. About 75 grams bean sprouts. Add back in the smoked tofu and broccolini. Add in the delicious sauce. Saute for about a minute until the sauce is mostly absorbed. Turn off the heat and get ready to plate. Plate the Cheung Fun. This recipe is great for about 1 to 2 portions. Sprinkle over some white sesame seeds and serve. You can now enjoy these delicious rice noodle rolls with absolute confidence. It looks and smells just wonderful. Man, that is literally a symphony of flavors. So amazing. I love the rustic, earthy look of this dish. It has that beautiful caramel color in the noodles, the tofu, but this delightful pop of green color from the garlic chives and the broccolini. The noodles are perfectly cooked. It retains that incredible elasticity in that bite. And it's so amazing how the noodles start off with this pearly white glow, but it absorbs that sauce and it completely changes personality. And of course, the sear that we made on those rice noodles gives it that iconic caramelized pan-sear taste that is just so extraordinary. Those noodles really absorb the flavors in that sauce with that salty umami from the soy sauce. The toasted sesame oil adds a beautiful fragrant aroma. That chili oil also adds this nice smokiness and a little spicy kick as well. This is one of those recipes that makes it to the top of my list of weekly go-tos. It is so delicious, so flavorful, and of course, so easy to put together. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook or to dine in at home. For more information about one of the 4 Yeung Men cooking cookbooks or to grab your very own copy, there is a digital or print version of these books you can find in the link in the description box below, along with the Yeung Men cooking merch and that plant-based sushi masterclass, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.